My name is Jim Simon. I am a customer of Just Answer. I got involved with Just Answer because I was working on my car. I am not a mechanic or a car person, and I needed the help. I chose Just Answer because the problems that I had were not straightforward. They weren't something that were easily described. And in some cases, I sent photographs or recordings of a noise, and these aren't things that can be addressed other ways. I mean, you need to have a person on the other side to respond to those kinds of things. Once I got into working on the car, taking it to a mechanic was just not possible. I mean, the thing was in pieces on the floor. There was no way I could carry it to a mechanic. And some of these problems were, really tough. I mean, taking the engine apart, taking the transmission apart, taking the transfer case apart. I mean, this was not trivial stuff. And there was just no way I could do it without the Just Answer expert right there available. And sometimes, right there on the phone talking to me while I'm doing it. And the great thing about having an expert there is he was able to keep at the question until it was completely resolved. I mean, whatever the question, whatever the problem we got into was, he stuck with me until it was totally resolved, and then, I could move on to the next thing. I've been a customer of Just Answer for about 3 years. And over the year and a half that I've been working on this car, I've probably asked 100 questions or more getting through that project, and I'd have been toast without it.